Morning, morning. The boys. Is you hear me? Our next 2 minutes, guys. Put in your tickers in here. We can talk about them. Right. Got some couple of good things over here, man, this morning. Proud strike. Fan W a little bit up. Not much. All right, boys, let's talk. I think I have a couple of tickers in the morning newsletter this morning that I'm going to talk about. So let's do it. All right, boys, we got Powell this morning at 10 o'clock. We got Jolts at 10 o'clock, guys. So be careful trading anything around 10 a.m., guys. Right now, of course, it's 11 a.m. It's going to be 11 a.m. for me, it's 10 a.m. over here. So 10 a.m. Eastern time, guys. Watch 10 a.m. Eastern time. And going in this morning, guys, you got to watch this 23 level upside, right? If we can break 23 and hold, then we can probably push upside. We cannot hold 23, we can possible then get a nice rejection like yesterday. Came back, retested around there and moved downside. Very simple, guys. When we have pullbacks, it becomes so much easier that we can use these kind of data that we have over here. Beautiful yesterday we came. Look where we got bounced. You guys go into my previous videos, you guys can see this level has been such a big key level that I keep talking about. We came in over here also in the it's a daily trend. It's a daily channel. Basically, we're trading upside, came back to the trade. Beautiful, right? Nothing wrong. These beautiful pullbacks are healthy, guys. I saw a lot of people yesterday in the group got it, called it out in the evening. Beautiful stuff, guys, over there. I didn't play with you guys in here because I was more into my crowd watching that because I had more money put in there than getting into futures over here. So, but very good trade, guys. Beautiful done. Getting these levels. I got it over here last time. I took this right. You guys took this right. Beautiful, right? Now, we're gonna be watching that zone, see what's gonna happen this morning, guys. All right. Trend is still bullish, guys. Trend is our friend. All right, let's do this. Let's talk about the Nasdaq. I'll watch this 18072. I gave you guys one level only today to watch. Basically, this level over here is gonna be our pivot point. 18072. Right? You see, rejected over there, around over here again, and then retested over here, move upside, right? So we want to see what's going to happen at this 18-0. Now we are holding. So if we come back and hold this level, could be a good place to go long. Of course, if we don't get it, we're going to use the other levels that we have, guys, right? Easy as that. Post your tickers if you guys have any tickers we can discuss. All right, that's that. Bitcoin. Wow. Bitcoin was beautiful, guys. Bitcoin was beautiful. We got a nice dumpster and came back, retested right at that level, boys. This was a 10% correction yesterday, whatever, from 70,000 all the way to 61, guys. Came all the way and got bought up. Key level, right? Been talking about it. So my Sunday night also I said, hey, guys, this is good going, but if it comes over here, this is the place you go along. And look at this beautifully. Nothing wrong with Bitcoin, guys. Still bullish. As long as this level holds, we're still good. We're gonna watch 67 and see if she can break today. That's the coin. Let's talk about Russell holding our zone, holding our zone, holding our zone. 2069 key level, and 2097 is going to be the breakout if it has to happen. Right? We came straight into there. Oof, got rejected from that zone. So let's see. Well, YM, right? YM, big key level. This is it's been lagging, but let's see if she can start getting the engines on because we want YM also start moving upside so marking can push, right? So I'm gonna watch this zone over here if this zone can hold and go into this. This should be basically a red now. Yeah. So I'll be watching this 38,000. If we get a push, I'm gonna watch see if that can see that was resisted support. I want to see if that can break and keep going upside or get rejected there. All right, that's that. Let's talk about Apple. Actually, nothing much to talk about Apple, guys. She just keep going lower and lower. So I'll be watching 170, 196, guys, if that can hold. This is a very key level to go long on Apple if it comes there. I'm gonna post it on the daily, show you guys on the daily. Look at this. Nice support, right? So not a bad spot if Apple comes over here and bases, we can take a long over here with a very tight stop loss. If it doesn't hold, we take on the next levels, boys. So this is basically a good support that I'll be watching if we can get it and see what happens. Probably some news will come out and then redeem upside. That's Apple. What we got next? Let's talk about crowd. So guys, I mean, I've been talking about crowd, right? Crowd base. I'm gonna go back in a weekly chart, show you guys. This level was all-time highs on crowd. We came based again over there. Last week when we got PanW earnings 2 weeks back, I mentioned get the shares. We bought it at 285, wrote it upside, got some profits out, and again yesterday, uh, I'm still holding those. So now I'm watching this demand, guys. See if this demand can hold from this nice move upside. I've been talking about crowd since long in the group, saying crowd is the next one. She could be the next AVGO that she could rip it up. Before you even know, she could be a $500,000 stock. And she is showing that strength right now, boys. So if you bought shares with me and whatever, and you got to take profits, of course, over here because I don't know if the gap is going to fill. Normally, she does pulls back, but this time she's holding very well, holding the zone. So let's see. That's proud. Since we talk about crowd, let's just talk about PanW. I know a lot of people are going to be asking me questions. PanW is coming lower. This is a shitty boy. This is just drop a big thing, right? They didn't have a thing and guidance and whatever, and just dropped. Now we went long with that earnings. This is not holding pre-market. I'm going to take it. Basically, I would maybe even take everything off this morning, right? Because it's not holding. I'm not going to go in. It's coming into a resistance, right? And can break out. Easy as that, right? There's no catalyst, no news or anything that's pulling back. It's just technical levels, right? It's coming to a level and just coming to resistance and not breaking. So we just take profits, boys, right? Is that? Let's talk about Meta. Meta, nice support. We called out yesterday. We called out. We got it right in the bottom over here. Some shares. Nicely, guys. You'll be nicely up over here in the morning. We also bought I think next week's, right? Yeah, we have next week's. That will also pay out. So the meta looks good, boys. The meta look good now. What else we got? Okay, let's talk about SMCI. Call out SMCI 1700 called yesterday, guys. After a move with joining whatever, SMP, she made a massive move Friday night, made a massive move Monday morning. Of course, every Tom, Dick, and Harry is gonna go SMCI breaking out all time high and they pull back. They bring it at key level, boys. Key level. Yesterday we had this trend that I was talking about, that I was watching, that we got a nice breakout from it. I took this trade from more or less when options were a little bit stalling, and I'm holding a runner, guys. It's the 1700 calls. I'm holding next week 1700 calls with that runner, watching this 111155 and then 111182. And then I'll be drawing some more fibs and see what happens there. So that's in the SMCI. I think they had an upgrade also this morning. Let's talk about Tesla, boys. Piece of trash. So we've been shorting Tesla, guys. We've been shorting Tesla from here. We got in again over here. Yesterday I mentioned again, guys, get it over here, right? How are these levels behaving so beautiful, right? I told you guys to get somewhere here, right there. So I got in over here, took my profit. Yes, then we got in over here for a swing for next week. Those paid nicely, more than 200% profit. You're holding, I'm still holding that one. No reason to get new ones for me because I was holding. If you didn't have new one, this is where I would get that I was mentioning yesterday. And I think some of you did get. Probably you guys were like shitting overnight. Nothing wrong, guys. She's gonna probably go to 175, I think. So below this level, guys, no love on Tesla. Maybe if 175 wire holds, maybe you can get a little bit of bounce, and I would say it could get a bounce from this drop from last time. Show you guys in the 4 hours from this drop and get bought up right away. So that watch that also, right? Could be possible. So that's Tesla. PLTR. Now basically Jazz, she's breaking it out. So beautiful breakout on PLTR. Uh, Breaking out above this level 25. So I would say 27 and 29 next, bro. This is a nice squeeze that's firing upside. So few a little bit, of course, ABC patterns. But I think 27 is coming in this thing, bro. Coming in hot, 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 bro. Looks very good. All right, let's talk about Airbnb. That was my side chart. Also, PLT was in the side chart, guys. So Airbnb, I don't know. I'm just liking how she's behaving, guys. So sideways, sideways, sideways. This, I would say, watch this action because had her earnings and didn't go lower, didn't go higher, and just going sideways, basically flagging for. I think this looks like a nice breakout coming in this possible. So if you can get a nice entry aware, this maybe 158.74 ish. Maybe you can try some longs next week, 175 calls or something, and then it breaks out, it breaks out. If it doesn't hold that level, just cut it. Could be a good risk reward over here, guys. Looks good. Talk about Qualcomm coming to a good retest level, guys. So Qualcomm, uh, this was a resistance, broke out, retested, came, retested over here, went right, came, yes, this, and now basically above over here. We can hold over here, Qualcomm lovers. Now you can take her long. You don't take her long over here. I know a few of you guys got a little bit of hurt in Qualcomm, I think. This is where you take a long upside, right? You got the pattern retesting that zone, and now you maybe take it up. All right, let's talk about NVIDIA, AMD. Don't have these on my watch list today because, and yes, they're just making new highs. Nothing much to talk about this, guys. This is making new highs up here, right? So nothing much to talk. AMD, same thing, right? What did they do? China news. All right, let's go down. Let's trap everybody here. Trap who? Not me, boy. Not me. Daddy's still in, right? 211 breaks, guys. We're gonna go probably 220 in this thing, right? I have next fibs and other charts. So let's see, guys. Happy trading. Let's crush it on the Discord, boys. Like today, like yesterday, like every day.